Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact domain and preferred protocol, so you check the correct sitemap. Then fetch the sitemap immediately at /sitemap, XML or /sitemap index. XML, if you get redirects, follow them. Use curl or your browser to download the XML so you can inspect it offline. Once done, open the raw file and scan for sitemap entries and namespaces. This gives you the structure and tells you whether multiple sitemap files or an index is present, which matters for the next steps. You now validate the XML to catch syntax errors that block search engines. Use a validator or an SEO tool. Next, inspect each tag. Lock for canonical URLs, lastmod for update patterns, changefreq and priority for indexing hints. Export the URL list and compare it to your current crawl. Identify missing pages, duplicates, or non-canonical entries. Make sure the sitemap matches robots, TXT rules, and excludes disallowed paths. Once these discrepancies are noted, prepare targeted fixes and revalidate. You finalize by fixing incorrect URLs, removing duplicates, and regenerating the sitemap either through your CMS or a script so it reflects the true sitemap. Then submit the sitemap to search engine consoles and run URL inspection tests to confirm acceptance. Monitor indexing and sitemap report errors over the next days. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: always check server response codes and headers for sitemap file. A 200 versus 403/404 or wrong content type often explains why a sitemap is ignored.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.